'03 Chevy, shop truck in the house. Well, under the carport. But yeah, already got the old gas tank out, and I think we'll go ahead and clean this up really good. Take a break. I think we're ready to start cleaning that up and get some paint on there. That's what I'm thinking. All right, we got it sanded down, just scuffed it up a little bit, and got it wiped down, cleaned up. Now we'll spray some paint on here. I think it'll look pretty good. The tank came out so easy. All you have is these straps right here, and one bolt on each side goes through the hole right there. There's a soft line that connects to the main hard line that goes up to the fuel pump. You just take that off. And I just cut this. I got some new ones. They were all hard and destroyed anyways. So cut those and the tank came right out. I think it'll go in really easy. We'll replace this cinder wire right here. It looks like it connected to right there. It's broken, but we'll run a whole new line on there. So let me get this paint. That looks pretty good. All right, we'll let that dry and then get back after it. Okay, the hard fuel line was totally clogged. There's a bunch of gunk in there. I'm gonna try to clean it out. I mean, they want 75 bucks for one of these, so I'm gonna try to, I mean, it looks good. There's just some surface rust on it. You know, carburetor cleaner kind of works. But I noticed that real gunky hard stuff, lacquer thinner totally will dissolve that hard stuff. So I'm going to try to get some lacquer thinner down in there and just trying to get it flowing. This is the first time I've seen the clip on that car. Pretty badass. But we got some brand new wires here, and we're going to get these on here, and then we won't have to worry about it anymore and get this closer to being reliable. So let's get them on here. All right, here's the sender. We got the center wire on here, and then it just ground, you know, from the base here. So I got a alligator clip up here, and grounding that out. So we'll see what happens. Oh. She's working. Awesome. You know, I never did check to see if it would, that those fittings would leak. So we're gonna check now. What is up with all these gas can contraption? I spend more time trying to get gas in something than wonder when the last time gas got put in right there. Oh. Okay, got Gina out here helping us. All right, honey, the black button is the choke.
Okay,
On
do
the
I
right,
have to put the brake on?
on the dash.
Do I have to put the brake on?
No, it's all in neutral. So just once it starts, push the choke in halfway, and I'm gonna give it a little mustard to get it going. See if we can get the fuel to flow.
Okay.
Okay.
I
Turn the key on and push the foot pedal. Okay. Key on?
Yes. Yes.
You had the key off, didn't you?
Sorry.
Okay, go again, babe.
Do I mess with the choke?
No, turn it all the way off. Okay, go again. Well, that didn't go very good. Fuel pump's not pumping, so it was pumping before. Famous last words. You ran when I parked it. All right, I guess we're gonna get busy on this fuel pump. Doesn't look like it's gonna be too hard. Get to it pretty easy, so let's get after it. Took me like 10 minutes just to find the stuff I needed. You know, I'm so bad about freaking laying tools down. Gotta stop that. All right, that wasn't too bad at all. I guess let's turn it over and see what happens. All right, Gina's out running errands, so we'll have to go in this and put a little mustard in here. And then go into the cab. It's got that stupid foot pedal start. So, see what happens. Wow, I think there's already fuel in there. Oh, hell yeah. $170? Been running for a while. But there's like, I mean, zero brakes on here, and I'm not totally on a flat area. So I was jacking around and pushed the emergency brake cable in, and it went real nice. It popped back out. It seems like it was pulling the cables, but I'm not sure if it was tight enough. So if we could get that, I think that'd be good enough. We're gonna get the wheels jacked up, or we're gonna get the truck jacked up, take the wheels off, and see what's going on with that e-brake. And then hopefully we can get it to, kind of brake a little bit where we could actually, we might even drive it up the street and back. Stupid adjuster screws froze. Come on. Working it, it's breaking free. Everything's a battle. I already adjusted them out so there's barely rub. Let's try this again. Oh, rock solid. Other side, was that like 50 lug nuts? Sweet. If those were stuck in there. Oh, that one's not. Oh, come on. There we go. What? Nothing else goes right. At least that's a win. That wheel cylinder looks pretty toast. The other one had fluid in it. Now let's get this one adjusted and then shoot. This one's adjusting a lot easier than the other side. This Is it moving? All right, got a new radiator, new water pump, new hoses, new fuel pump. Cleaned the fuel line out, put a new gas tank in there. New plug wires. Readjusted the e-brake. I think it's time. Adjust my milk crate. $1981 was the last time this thing was driving. All right. You know, she drives pretty good. No, not really. But transmission seems to be good. Clutch is good. This e-brake here. We got a successful first drive, that's for sure. All right, she did pretty good. I mean, she drives like an old farm truck, that's for sure. So I guess from now we'll change this 3600 and get that big 3/4 ton. I mean, she's geared so low. And then we will go ahead and change it into a 3100. And we'll get the front axle and everything off of here. And the springs. And trying to find a rear end for it that's the right width. I just got some truck scoopage. I was going to do one of the little short story posts, but I guess we're too small. They won't let us do that. Big guy keeping the little guy down. Hey, so we've been working behind the scenes on getting stuff for everything, and we didn't forget about you truck people. So, you know, I was on the marketplace, and I think we scored big. So let's go check it out. All right, it's 97 S10 10 bolt. He's got the Detroit axle rotors on there. I think the it's like a 3-4-2 gear ratio. Looks like he's got brand new everything on. He went through all the way through everything. New seals, and I think these were off a S10 Blazer. Yeah, I'm not a big S10 buff, but I guess on the in 97 they made a SS S10, which was, it came with a factory posi. So that's what this is, and so that's cool. I mean, a posi, I mean, it's a small one, but I think it'll work good for the truck.